The old boy said he had 2 Polarises for sale, and we passed on that one, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take a chance on this one and see what it's worth. But we passed on that Polaris. Dang, dumpster find. Yes, I see about y'all's barn finds. A garbage find, junkyard find. We confirm the motor turns over. That's it. So Orion's gonna push this, the Smart with the tractor, all the way back up to the thing. We're gonna come scoop it up and carry it over there. But I told Orion to make a lot better video if we did like a time lapse of him just pushing it uphill all the way over to the shop. The hottest day of the year, pretty much, seems like. Yeah. So we got this thing like, I don't know, 3 months ago as a project and never messed with it. I just seen the motor turn over for the first time a minute ago by jumping the solenoid. We're gonna take it over here and try to see if we can go ride it in the creek today. That's the goal. Get it going around Christmas time. Maybe it'll be a little more valuable if we can get it sold. The old Juan Deere forklift makes it easy, dude. This thing would lift up a depressed person. Step 1, maneuverability. Orion likes to rip the valve stems off and just use the party balloon chuck to air up the tires. Not bad. Okay. So far, so good. I dropped a couple, dude. I tried to pick it up in the middle and all the weight's in the back, so it just like fell off the forks and dumped out this plastic and stuff. I lost a couple pieces. Dang, it's got the Yamaha Raptor 90 rear tires. See, they won't even put like those, remember the ones on the Bombardier I was telling you I liked? Yeah. They won't even put those kind of knobs on these right here because it'll just break a belt or something, I guess. Dang, dude, did you see if there's any sprites? Hell no. Just a bunch of ants. It didn't even have no sprites left in it. This thing's seen better days. Well, we're gonna start out by pulling the spark plug and seeing if it has compression. Then we're gonna have to get some spark to it. And who knows, maybe it'll be I mean, if we just get some black spray paint for the wheel in this right here. You know, Ryan was tripping about this red, saying that it was pink, y'all. Look at, you're not in pink. You're not in pink, y'all. You want to start in a discreet place. You don't want to just do like a big, you know, you don't want to do titties on the front. That you don't want to draw a big dick on it. Yeah. Dude, should I just draw some titties on it? Dude, just watch this. Oh, it don't work with this color. It's gonna look like a butt. I need to wash it first. Oh, she got them big old areolas on her, boys. Nice. Those are balls. You're all gay. So we have got hot power to it and jumped the solenoid. We checked the brakes. They work. We shifted it. Seems to be good. And we're bypassing the ignition right now. And as soon as we're done, we're going to try and see if this thing has a spark and real compression. And then if it does, we should be able to just ride it at that point. Yeah. We got it sparking. We got neutral light, then we got it sparking. Now we're peeping the valves a little bit here. Just trying to get the cam in the closed position. It's a thin ass timing chain, Dad. Yeah. What do you think? Should we just grab it, get the vice grips and just grab the cam gear and turn them in? This thing is gonna need a top end, so we're gonna get some parts ordered. We're gonna go put it back out. I'm gonna go throw it in the creek for now. Put it back in the garbage where we found it. Dang it, guys, we wanted to ride it too. It was all perked up, ready to go. So we got this old Polaris back out of the junk pile, and we are gonna run a compression test on it before we open it up and confirm what's causing the low compression. We just want to make sure that our fingers ain't lying to us. Plus, I don't know what these are supposed to run on. Do you?
No.
Like it might be 90, 100 PSI. That's a Polaris thing. And the throttle's open because the carb's off, so we should just have to crank it. You good?
Nothing, dude.
No compression? It felt almost like there's a hole in the jug or something, bro.
Yeah, dude, I thought I felt it come right out.
Yeah, so when it was...
is this loose? And it's tight.
Yeah, so when I was putting my finger in there and I would plug it, it felt like it was blowing out of somewhere else. Want to try one more time?
Yeah.
So I guess we'll tear off all the... Damn, and we tried torquing the head bolts the other day, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so carb's being a pain in the butt. We're getting the intake off. We're gonna take the exhaust off, the head off, or the valve cover off, and the head and the cylinder. Getting all these covers out of the way. Oh dang, the spider gasket blew out.
Yeah.
Needs a new spider gasket. Great, those are not cheap. Look here, fellers. A little crustaceous. I guess we'll compare it to the GY6 in a minute. And then a different stroke to make different CC, right?
Yeah.
So I bet you the strokes on these are completely different.
Yeah.
That's why that piston's so much bigger.
Some slightly taller.
That's what I was thinking I seen too. We'll pull out the piston and see if it looks much different. Definitely bigger.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's a longer stroke or a taller piston.
Yeah.
Or a shorter piston in the same.
See, they were saying that if you put the 200 kits on the 150s, you have to like cut the cases out so this fits in there.
Oh, got you. Oh yeah, with the Dremel or something?
Yeah.
That makes sense. Got to bore the casings. How's the valves look? This ain't too bad. All right, guys, so we got a real nice piston. We're probably gonna reuse it and just make some new rings for it. We got a bunch of old Pepsi cans. You ready to hold that on? This damn wrist pin was in here again. That's how you remove the old piston.
Old crusty.
Yeah, we'll check that out in a minute. Damn mud water. Look at this, fellers. Look at this. That looks tasty. No playing the crank. Oh. Oh. All right. Oh, jump in the... yeah. All right, look around. Look, new crank. Can you see in there? So that's the new crank.
Yeah.
And then the back half, we're reusing the back half. We just rebuilt the top half of the crank.
Oh, yeah. You just sat with some water.
That's all. That's all.
I can't work now.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this. You ever heard of the rings being stuck? Next time somebody tells you the earth is round, you show them that. Say, look, how could it be round if the piston's flat?
It's all about perspective.
Yeah, we could probably use that hair that's on there. That hair's still good. What a beat. Yeah, we just gotta polish the pistons, lightweighten them. Holy crapola. This thing is fat, boys. Look at this shit. Chunky metal chunk. Oh, another chunk. Oh, everybody gets a chunk. Dang, it started pissing water immediately. What we got, guys? Oh, just water? Well, that explains why we weren't getting any oil up top. Right?
Yeah.
That's that new oil called Just Water. The sludge. Hey, y'all want to see something even worse? Look, y'all see that oil? Check this out. Busted swing arm. It's a tri-bust.
It's fucking air cooled too. It's got that much water.
Oh, I know, dude. It's water cooled now. Yeah, no shit. There's nowhere but for rain and going underwater to. So she needs a quick rinse. She's just out of DEF. Need a little diesel fluid in there. Oh shit. Just a little diesel to help get some of the cack out of there. We might ought to damn near plug it and fill it up with diesel. What do you think? You think it'd be hard on the seals? Now, if this is a 2-stroke, we just fill it with the diesel.
Yeah.
That's what you do. We're doing a rebuild on this thing. You're gonna want to make sure it has plenty of diesel in it. Amy's gonna take a long shot, boys. Orion, you know, he deals with gasoline so much that diesel's just like water to him.
Tastes a little sweet.
Yeah, it tastes a little sweet. Well, at this point, we got the top end tore down. It definitely had low compression, blow by really bad. Water in the oil. So we changed it, gave her a rinse with some diesel. We're gonna soak this crank in some mystery oil until these parts come in. Fix that swing arm, and then rebuild this motor, and we should have a ripper. So now we got her up in the air. She on the lift now, boy. And we gotta remove a couple shock bolts down there, chain, this caliper, these swing arm pivots. Just like the other one, you need some zip ties or what? Yeah. Or can you drill holes in it? And then we're gonna get the swing arm off so we can clean that all up and actually repair it properly. Get her put back on. Look at that, guys. Look at there. Look at there. They fixed it. We will soak it in oil probably. Next oil change we do.
Yeah.
Soak that bad boy. Look at that chain, boys. That's a memory chain. It remembers the links. Throw in reverse, Terry. And this guy, might as well do it first while it's being held up. Just break all the brake lines off.
Yeah. I'm gonna do the swing arm.
Yeah.
No razor on this or?
Oh, raise! I think that thing's gonna be so light. What's the point?
Oh, I see.
All right. Now we put the Civic rear end in, front end in.
Yeah.
And then, those are some nice shocks. It's hard to get grease and oil on a shock that doesn't have grease and oil in it.
Yeah, that would be the perfect swap.
Yeah.
Civic engine right there.
Yeah.
Fucking done,
Boom,
dude.
done, dudes.
2400 cc.
So this is why, guys. Look at, somebody already fixed this one pretty good. They did a solid job on that one. But we might.
These down at the Ace Hardware.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about earlier. These shitty ass carriers. My goodness. Got some more. We're really only gonna be able to tell once we get up in there, guys. We'll leave all this on, right?
Yeah.
That's out of our way. I thought you wanted this razor, Austin. Motor blown, daggum rear swing arm blown, and it cut blown. You got a blown swing arm, blown motor.
Oh yeah.
Everybody blown but me. He fixed the top though. Show him the other side of this. Noise. Yeah, we just gotta grind the fuck out of it first. We're gonna just weld in a triangle. We're gonna need a couple triangles. Yeah. Is that the old jug off the Polaris? Okay, it's good. It's a hammer. Yeah. At least you're using it.
Yeah.
This is garbage.
Yeah.
It'd have been funnier that way. Yeah. So, guys, we are gonna need some triangles and some angle iron, at least, and a bunch of triangles.
Weld the whole plate right here.
Dude, we good. Yeah, I gotta weld this back up in a little while.
Yeah, put that back on.
Yeah, put this back together.
Pack it in there.
I mean, not bad. She's welded back on, that's for sure. We got a few spots we fixed, and a few we didn't even see. So we're gonna fix them. Then we're gonna start putting our triangles on. All right, we get that one fixed, and that one fixed, and that one fixed, and hopefully shit's fixed. On the other side, fixed. Fixed it, dudes. It's fixed. Shoot, that's the end of part one for this Polaris 170 rebuild. We redid the swing arm, had to do some welds underneath it up there. Got all that done. We've got a new cylinder and piston and rings, Wiseco piston and rings coming for it. We're gonna make a muffler exhaust situation. Go through the carburetor, maybe end up putting a chain on it, the air filter, and then sending it all through the creek and stuff, and seeing, maybe put a ball hitch on it.
Yeah,
be
no,
able
you
to
just hook it right here.
Yeah, we're probably getting my paint job. It's like, this is my paint job.
Yeah.
We might just put a flatbed on it for hauling hay and stuff for guys that really need to do some farm work. That's pretty much it, dudes. This thing's gonna be a ripper. Be sure and get up in there. He's gonna fix it. There we go. Perfect. He's testing the welds.
Yeah.
And we're also gonna test some swing arm welds, fellas. So
Yeah.
get up in there. Videos every Tuesday and Thursday, all of November. Lots more coming. We're about to start on another project. I'm thinking Tri-Z Raptor 700 is what's coming up this winter for me. I'm hoping. I've got everything I need except for that fitting the big old Raptor motor in the Tri-Z. That's the hard part. Stage 1 is complete on this RZR. Fixed the swing arm, tore down the top end, ordered all the parts that we need. Basically a new cylinder, Wiseco piston, top end kit, fuel pump. What else do we get for this thing? There's a few other pieces here and there that we got, air filter and some stuff like that. And we're gonna rebuild the motor and then we're gonna send it, guys. So get up in there, part 2's coming soon. We appreciate it. Guys, I appreciate you watching part 1 of this RZR rebuild. Let's check it out. Give you a little heads up on part 2. The only thing I've got left to do is actually blend in those teasers with the rest of the hood. We gotta get the pink off of there, get it back red like that. Power wash it, clean it up, grease and lube it, and it's ready for the road. Part 2's coming up. Guys, we got a new YouTube channel you should check out called Texplorers, T-E-X Plorers. We're actually gonna put a link in the description. Give us a subscribe when we get to 1,000 subscribers. We got some special videos from this year we're gonna post. Whole lot of outdoor stuff, whole lot of family, fishing, hunting, that type of thing, guys. But I can't put it on this channel because I don't want it to hurt the monetization. So you guys get up in there, give us a follow. Lots more coming. Part 2 of this RZR rebuild is posting Thursday, and it'll be complete on Thanksgiving. And we appreciate y'all, so be sure and get up in there. Here's a couple clips, but you'll be able to see it finished and the rebuild on it in the next videos.